everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to empty your Coinbase wallet. Emptying your Coinbase wallet typically involves withdrawing your funds or cryptocurrencies to another wallet or bank account. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, open your Coinbase mobile application, or you can also go to the coinbase.com website and log in. After logging into the account, go ahead and tap on the portfolio option at the bottom or the assets section. After selecting the portfolio option, you will be able to view all the cryptocurrency funds you hold in your Coinbase wallet. Select the asset you would like to withdraw from your Coinbase wallet and then click on the withdraw button on the next page. After selecting withdraw, enter the recipient address where you want to send the funds, and this could be another wallet address or a bank account. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency or fiat currency you want to withdraw, and after you are done, double check the details, confirm the withdrawal request, and complete your withdrawal. After completing withdrawal request, Coinbase will process the transaction. Once the transaction is confirmed, you will be able to see withdrawal reflected in your destination wallet or bank account. So that is how you will be able to empty your Coinbase wallet in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.